In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment method cash on delivery in Odoo website. This is a practical setup that lets customers choose cash on delivery when they place an order through your website. The goal is to enable a payment provider in Odoo and then adjust its name so it clearly matches what customers will see at checkout. I will guide you through the exact menu path and settings so you can finish this quickly and accurately. To start, open your Odoo dashboard and go to the accounting area. Depending on your Odoo configuration, you may see this as accounting, or you may see it under invoicing. Take a moment to locate the correct module in your main menu and then click into it. This section is where Odoo manages payment and accounting-related configuration, so it is the right place to begin. Once you are inside accounting or invoicing, look for configuration, then payment providers. This is the menu where Odoo lists the available payment providers and their setup status. You will want to enter this screen because we will be using an existing provider as the base for cash on delivery. When you open payment providers, pay attention to the list of providers because you will need to find the one called wire transfer. Now within payment providers, select wire transfer. In Odoo, wire transfer is used as a starting point because it already follows the structure needed for a cash on delivery style method. You are not changing how the underlying system works dramatically. Instead, you are enabling it and presenting it to customers in a way that matches cash on delivery. When you click wire transfer, you should see the provider form with fields such as display name and state or publication settings. Next, rename it so customers see the correct payment option. In the display name field, change the name to exactly cash on delivery. This matters because the display name is what will typically appear in the checkout flow. A clear and accurate label helps avoid confusion and reduces support issues after customers place their orders. After you update the display name, check the state setting for the provider. You need to set the state to enabled so Odoo recognizes it as an active payment option. Locate the state control on the same provider form and then switch it so it is enabled. This step is important because even if you have the right name, the payment method will not be selectable by customers unless it is enabled in Odoo. Once the provider is enabled, you also need to publish it. Click the Published option on the provider screen. Depending on your Odoo version, the button may read as Published, or it may be a Publish action tied to the provider configuration. The purpose is to make sure the changes are live and visible to the website and checkout process. Now take a quick moment to confirm everything is set correctly before moving on. Your display name should read Cash on Delivery, your state should be enabled, and the provider should be published. If anything does not match, adjust it now, because these settings control what the customer will ultimately see. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. After you finish, you can proceed to test your website checkout to confirm that cash on delivery appears as a selectable payment method.